So, little project I've got on. I'm going to make an air cannon, which is essentially going to be like a potato gun, but rather than spraying hairspray or putting a fuel in it and it goes bang, I'm going to have a canister full of compressed air, and then I'm going to have a butterfly valve on the end of it, and this is just a valve that can be opened immediately, so it goes from like completely shut to full bore. We'll do that in a split second, and then bosh! It'll fire whatever it is, you know, away into the distance. But the advantages of this is we can attach different nozzles to this, and of course we can control the pressure, so it can become in very handy. Right, I shall make a start. Been to the scrapyard, got myself an old fire extinguisher. Quite like these, they're nice and shiny. That's going to be my air tank. Then of course I've got my butterfly valve. We're going to slap that on the end. It'll need a bit of pipe to kind of bridge the gap. Obviously that's way too long, if you can imagine that. Heavily cut down. And then to open the butterfly valve, I'm going to use a little pneumatic piston, because you know we've got air supply there already. So I'm going to put a little separate canister on the side to activate this. Right, cut it, weld it, shut it, fix it, do everything that we do. Boom! We're going to have a lot of fun with this. Alright, this works pretty well. Now we've just got to put our little air ram system on the side here. next video, give it a proper test. See how far we can shoot some stuff, and also I've made some different sized nozzles. See what that does to the equation. But there we are. Righty ho! Now if you want to see other things similar to this, made a thermite launcher over here. That's pretty cool. And then for like general film inspired gadgets and crazy inventions, we've got 2 playlists over here. And of course you need to subscribe, you don't want to miss any of this. Click on the old face where that is. See you in the next video. I'm going to walk off diagonally